most amazing part is what you can do in college as a first year student is start a company. Start a company. Product management बहुत simply product को manage करने की कला है.
हेलो एवरीवन, माई सेल्फ अंकुश गुप्ता, आई एम एन एजुकेटर। मेरे साथ है पंकज जो कि एक डिजिटल मार्केटर है, और साथ में है आज के गेस्ट हिमांशु। हिमांशु जो है वो ओला इलेक्ट्रिक के अंदर अभी सीनियर प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर है, और उन्होंने अपने करियर में इंजीनियरिंग, सिविल इंजीनियरिंग से शुरू करके बहुत सारी चीजें करी है जो हम इस पॉडकास्ट में डिस्कस भी करेंगे। तो अभी मैं पंकज को बोलता हूँ, पंकज आप खुद अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करिए एंड देन हिमांशु प्लीज गो अहेड। पंकज।
Hello everyone, and I am a digital marketer. As we have been doing these podcasts, so I welcome Himanshu for our next one. Himanshu, over to you.
Thank you so much for this, Pankaj and Ankush. So, hi guys, very excited to be here. Let me tell you a bit about myself, what I have done. I am a graduate from NIT Nagpur in 2014, and after that I started a company into advertising and design consultancy. Pivoted to a product-based company, realized that I wanted to do something into digital space, started another company into social network of writers and a CMS for publications, SaaS platform. So while doing that, raised a couple of rounds of funding and realized that we can go big. We went to 5 countries, expanded like to 1 lakh writers and 100 plus publications. After doing so much, realized we are again turning into a service-based company and moved to another stint where I was leading product for chronic disease management, which is like a Xyla Health. So while doing that, we built like approximately 10 plus products over there. It was 3.5 years of journey for me. Was very, very, very proud to be there, and currently building a vehicle e-commerce product and logistics product at Ola Electric. Again, so the whole idea was like very much revolutionizing the space, and every time building something new and something impactful led me here today. And let's talk. Like I'm very much excited to be here. Please let me know what all you have in your bucket to ask me.
Yeah, sure. मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन ये है कि लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट, कि जहाँ से आपने शुरू किया था। अब बहुत आपने बड़े बड़े वर्ड्स बोले आम लोगों के लिए कि यार ये CMS और ये वाली सारी चीजें कि भाई फंडिंग एंड ऑल, मतलब ऑल्दो शार्क टैंक आने के बाद बहुत लोगों को पता है कि फंडिंग क्या होती है, बट फिर भी ओवर टू 5 कंट्रीज। तो यार आप सबसे पहले थोड़ा आसान भाषा के अंदर इसको बताएंगे जिससे सबको समझ में आए। अगर एक 20 साल का बच्चा इसको देख रहा होगा तो उसके लिए ये क्या है?
डेफिनेटली। सो अब जब हम हिंदी में बात कर रहे हैं तो बहुत सिंपली एक प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट की बात कर रहे हैं हम, राइट? प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट क्या है? तो प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट बहुत सिंपली प्रोडक्ट को मैनेज करने की कला है। दैट हाउ यू गोइंग टू मैनेज अ प्रोडक्ट, एंड प्रोडक्ट को मैनेज क्यों करना है आपको? बिकॉज एक कस्टमर है, उसके लिए आप कुछ एक प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हो, डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट, जैसे व्हाट्सएप है, जैसे इंस्टाग्राम है, जैसे जूम कॉल है, एनीथिंग। आप एक कस्टमर के लिए एक प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हो, उससे कस्टमर अपना जो गोल है वो अचीव कर पाता है। सो कस्टमर है, उसको यूएस में बैठे एक बंदे से बात करनी है, मैसेज का कॉस्ट बहुत हाई है। कोई एक दिन आता है, बोलता है एक डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म है व्हाट्सएप का, उस पर आप मैसेज भेज सकते हो इजीली दूसरी कंट्री में, जस्ट यूजिंग डेटा। दैट्स अ प्रोडक्ट। नाउ कस्टमर का गोल जो था वो सक्सेसफुल हो गया, वो अचीव हो गया, एंड यहाँ पर एक बंदे ने ये विजन देखा कि ऐसा कुछ पॉसिबल है, उसको इमेजिन किया, उसको डिजाइन किया, उसको बिल्ड किया और उसको शिप किया, उसको लॉन्च किया उस प्रोडक्ट को मार्केट के अंदर, और उसको हेल्प किया ताकि वो मैक्सिमम लोगों तक पहुंचे, ताकि वो यूज हो पाए। सो दिस इज द जर्नी विच अ प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर ओन। ये प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर करता है, वो सोचने से लेके उसको एग्जीक्यूशन से लेके उसको सक्सेसफुल बनाने तक की पूरी जर्नी को ओन करता है। दिस इज व्हाट द प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर डज।
ओके, मच क्लैरिफाइड नाउ। ओके, थैंक यू।
Yeah.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो मेरे दिमाग में है कि आपने बताया प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट क्या होता है, राइट? अब प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट में जाने के लिए, बिकॉज इनिशियली यू वोंट बी अ प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर डायरेक्टली, आप इंटर्न से शुरू करोगे, फिर शायद अलग अलग एसोसिएट मैनेजर, असिस्टेंट मैनेजर एंड एग्जीक्यूटिव, व्हाटएवर बी द प्रोफाइल, राइट? तो अगर एक बच्चे को या एक किसी भी इंसान को प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट में घुसना हो, नॉट जस्ट किड्स, अगर कोई आफ्टर सर्टेन एज भी घुसना चाहता है कि यार मेरे को इस फील्ड में जाना है बिकॉज मेरे को बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है, जो आपने बोला सुनने में मुझे भी काफी इंटरेस्टिंग लगा कि यार ये बहुत सही चीज लग रही है कि सब कुछ डिजाइन करना है, राइट? सो उसको क्या क्या चीजें सीखनी पड़ेंगी, प्री रिक्विजिट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, कि क्या क्या उसको आना चाहिए जिस कारण वो जा पाए, और करियर में ग्रो करने के लिए उसको क्या क्या और सीखना चाहिए?
Sure. So now we are talking what skills one should have to become a product manager, right?
Yes.
And how someone can get into product management. So I'll say the road is very straightforward in terms of how you can become a product manager. There are no prerequisites. Okay, it depends upon the companies that somebody look for a technical PM, somebody look for a किसी को MBA चाहिए क्योंकि किसी को the companies prefer a business understanding from that person. That so there could be a scenario, but it is not mandatory. No engineering degree, no MBA is required to be a product manager. The path is very straightforward once you decide you want to be a product manager. The question is why you want to be a product manager. That's, as you said, it looks very exciting, owning a product and overall, as I explained. So once you understand that this is very exciting and this is where your skills lies in, there is a synergy in that. वहां पर एक मैच है, एक कि बेसिकली दे आर फिगरिंग यार ये तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ और ये मैं बहुत अच्छा कर सकता हूँ. So once they realize that, they should go for that if they find obviously interesting, because it's a very good paying job or it's very interesting in terms of its own career. Not talking about that skills required for it. It's a multi-level skill role. Okay, it's a very complicated role in itself. If I say it's not straightforward, it's not at all straightforward. I'm not scaring anyone here, but there's a lot to be learned to become a very good product manager. So let's start from the basic. What do you need to be a product manager? And we'll divide that into that journey. So imagine that you start from a basic level. So the early product manager to product leader, there is a journey, right? The early product managers own execution of it, execution of the product, that how the product should be made. Okay, designer ने सही design बनाया कि नहीं, या technical team ने उसको सही से scale के हिसाब से code किया या नहीं, या marketing team उसको help कर रही है कि नहीं ज़्यादा तो लोगों तक reach करने के लिए. That is all. This basic things, basic understanding of and working towards in a bigger product team as a junior product manager, like which is a basic role of product analyst or APM. Okay. So when they do it, they need to know the basics of it, execution. Okay. Above that, there is a next level is called like a prioritization. So the PMs or the early product manager too, or you can say SPMs also, they basically own the prioritization of the product features going live. They try to drive the vision of the product, that what needs to be made. हमें बनाना क्या है, हमें चाहिए क्यों, हम कर ही क्यों रहे हैं, क्या इससे जो कस्टमर को चाहिए वो सॉल्व होगा या नहीं, और अगर 1000 चीजें चाहिए कस्टमर को तो कौन सी 5 चीजें हमें पहले करनी है, फिगरिंग दैट आउट, एंड क्या जो हम सॉल्यूशन बनाने जा रहे हैं वो हम सही कर रहे हैं. टू यूजिंग दैट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ that what went wrong into this journey, what are the different kind of bugs can arrive into this product, what will not work from the user experience perspective. तो एक अच्छा डिजाइन होता है जो यूजफुल होता है, यूजेबल होता है, बहुत डिलाइटफुल होता है, लेकिन if this entire thing doesn't make sense because आपने बहुत ही रश में उस चीज को बना दिया और बिना एक्सपीरियंस के बना दिया, तो वो वर्क नहीं करेगा. So this is like the second level. And the product leaders basically they own the vision of the product. कि जैसे कि हमने WhatsApp की बात करी कि somebody was able to think that कि यार ऐसा product होता तो क्या होता, the world would have been a better place. Okay. So that's the vision of the. So thinking from a product management perspective, एक बंदे को क्या skill चाहिए कि अगर आज आप और मैं बैठ के बात करें, हम सोचे यार इमेजिन 10 मिनट मेडिसिन डिलीवरी अगर होती तो क्या मजा आता, ठीक है। अभी प्रोडक्ट का हमने विजन सोचा, हमें नहीं पता ये प्रोडक्ट एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता अभी तक, तो अगर ऐसा होगा तो क्या होगा। नाउ ड्राइविंग दैट, what will be our unique strategy for that? So SPMs or the leaders, like the group product managers or the lead product managers or the directors, CPOs, VPs, they all work towards a strategy and team management for that. That यार हमें exactly अभी अचीव कैसे करना है। 10 मिनट मेडिसिन डिलीवरी का प्लान क्या होगा हमारा, हम क्या करेंगे, क्या हम अपना सॉफ्टवेयर बनाएंगे, हम अपने डार्क स्टोर्स बनाएंगे मेडिसिन की, या फिर हम करंट स्टोर से टाई अप करेंगे जो ऑलरेडी है। ये दिस इज अ स्ट्रैटेजिक लेवल एंड यू नीड टू इंक्लूड बिजनेस फोक्स, ऑपरेशन फोक्स ओवर देयर। तो जब आप इन सब लोगों से कनेक्ट करते हो, इन लोगों को कोलैबोरेट करते हो, दैट्स कॉल्ड स्टेक होल्डर मैनेजमेंट। सो टॉकिंग द फर्स्ट स्किल इज विजन, you will be able to think big. That's the very important skill, but you might not be able to think big on day one, right?
Yeah.
आप नहीं सोच पाओगे उस बारे में। So आप बात करते हो स्ट्रैटेजी की, तो नाउ स्ट्रैटेजी कैसे आपको समझ में आती है चीजों की कि यार डार्क स्टोर मॉडल चलेगा कि स्टोर से टाई अप करूं, तो यू नीड टू हैव अ बिजनेस अंडरस्टैंडिंग। तो आप मॉडल्स के बारे में पढ़ रहे हो कि उबर का मॉडल क्या है, वो ड्राइवर को कैसे पे करता है, या फिर ओला का मॉडल क्या है, वो ड्राइवर्स के साथ ऐसा क्या करता है कि इतने सारे ड्राइवर्स लोग उससे जुड़े हुए हैं, व्हाई कस्टमर यूज देयर प्रोडक्ट। तो व्हेन मतलब हम आपके थ्रू करेंगे, कॉल के थ्रू नहीं करेंगे। दीज आर स्ट्रैटेजिक लेवल डिसीजंस व्हिच यू विल बी ओनली बी एबल टू रियलाइज व्हेन यू अंडरस्टैंड द मार्केट अराउंड इट। सपोज आपने डिसाइड कर लिया, नाउ कस्टमर को तो बहुत सारी चीजें चाहिए, देन आपने प्रायोरिटाइजेशन किया, तो प्रायोरिटाइजेशन स्किल कि आप प्रायोरिटाइज कर पाते हो कि यार ये ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसका इम्पैक्ट बड़ा है, एंड द अदर थिंग इसका इम्पैक्ट भी बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन ये मैं थोड़ा डिप्रायोरिटाइज करता हूँ बिकॉज ये मेरी कोर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं कर रहा। ओके, एंड द लास्ट बेसिकली एग्जीक्यूशन। एग्जीक्यूशन कंसिस्ट ऑफ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स। नाउ इट्स लाइक आपको डिजाइन समझ में आना चाहिए कि अच्छा डिजाइन क्या होता है, आपको एग्जीक्यूशन समझ में आना चाहिए कि अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट क्या होता है, कि मतलब मैंने पहले कौन सी चीज डेवलप करूंगा, तब तक जब तक बैकएंड वाला ये डेवलप कर रहा है तब तक फ्रंट एंड वाला कुछ और डेवलप कर सकता है, तब तक डेवऑप्स वाला दूसरी चीज पे काम कर सकता है। दिस एंटायर मैनेजमेंट ऑफ द डेवलपमेंट की पूरा, मीनवाइल आप मार्केटिंग से बात कर रहे हो, यार एसएमएस डिजाइन कर दो, ईमेल डिजाइन कर दो, आपने एक स्ट्रैटेजी बना ली कि जब ये लॉन्च होगा तो हम इसको कैसे लॉन्च करेंगे, कौन से चैनल पे लॉन्च करेंगे। तो वो बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग आपको हेल्प करती है बेटर एग्जीक्यूट करने में। एंड देन एग्जीक्यूशन के बाद जब लॉन्च हो जाता है प्रोडक्ट, आप एनालाइज करते हो, तो डेटा एनालिटिक्स, यू विल बी एबल टू लुक एट डेटा कि अच्छा यार बंदे ने क्लिक किया कि नहीं इस बटन पे, कोई आ ही नहीं रहा इस पेज पे, तो मतलब कुछ यूज ही नहीं हो रहा है, तो मैंने इतना अच्छा फीचर बनाया बट नोबडी इज यूजिंग इट, और अगर मुझे यूज करवाना है तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा। So thinking from that perspective, there are a lot of skill which is hard skills. We are talking about the hard skills till now. There are another side of soft skills. Like अब अंकुश है और पंकज है, और अंकुश और पंकज की टीम में और 10 लोग हैं। अब मैं प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर हूँ और मैं आया कि यार अंकुश अपन ना इस प्लेटफॉर्म को ऐप बनाएंगे, तो अंकुश इज नॉट सोल्ड ऑन द आइडिया, तो आई हैव टू अलाइन Ankush. I have to convince Ankush, but I don't have to convince without you understanding it. I also share my vision, share my ideas with you so that you agree to that part कि यार सही बात है, इस पे काम करते हैं, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है हमारे फ्यूचर के लिए, हमारी ग्रोथ के लिए वगैरह। So stakeholder management, communication, leadership. Now no developer is reporting to you directly, but when you go to them and when you ask them to build something, the first level of discussion is not like यार ये बनाना है, ये बना के दे दो। It's a negotiation. We will not be able to build this, we will be able to build that. And the problem is that they will do their work because it's their job. The only thing your leadership or your influential ability will solve is they will be able to hear you in a better way. They will hear you कि okay, if Himanshu is saying something, it does make sense. Let me hear this person out because he is a reasonable person. He respects us. There is a relationship, there is a friendship with us. and they basically see you as the person who is taking the right decisions. They can trust you with that. So there's like a lot of package, and there's a way to acquire that. We can talk about that, but so, I'll stop here.
As I see it, it is more about experience and exposure. There is nothing like that. You go out and आज मुझे product manager बनना है कि आज तो मैं जा रहा हूँ product manager बनने और मैं नहीं बन सकता. It is not like that. Like कोई accountant बन गया तो किस दिन उसको post मिलेगी वो accountant बन जाएगा और account सीखना पड़ेगा. That's okay. But
correct.
All of these things you can acquire only with the experience and exposure along with it. उसके बिना इतना सारा experience मतलब इतना सारा knowledge होना और इतनी सारी चीजों को manage करना, उनको समझना और उनको फिर एग्जीक्यूट करवाना मेरे हिसाब से इजी नहीं है. सो फ्रॉम हियर मेरा एक सवाल आता है जो आपकी जर्नी से आता है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू सेड दैट आई डोंट वांट टू गो इनटू सर्विसेज. सो व्हाई इज दैट? लाइक क्योंकि आपने कहा 1 लाख से ज्यादा आपके पास में राइटर्स हो गए थे और उसके बाद भी आपको आपने उस कंपनी को समहाउ डिसमेंटल किया एंड यू मूव्ड ऑन समथिंग एल्स. तो क्या रीजन रहा उसके लिए?
So the core reason is to build a digital scalable product. So I started my first company, #Trends. The idea was very simple, that we wanted to become a design and marketing consultancy. While doing that, realized that this service-based business is very limited. I can only interact with a limited folks on a day-to-day basis, and it's a one type of work on a daily basis. I want to expand beyond geographies. So while doing that, realize yaar मैं marketing कर रहा हूँ, everybody needs a merchandise, so we pivoted into a merchandise based business. We started building t-shirts for a lot of companies, like we did it for Uber, we did it for Your Story, we did it for like various other clients, IIMs, IITs, even my college itself, NIT Nagpur. So while doing that, I realized this is very exciting, and because there is a market in Tirupur. Tirupur is a cotton hub of India. I went to there, I stayed there for 2 months. I researched about the fabric, about the printing. I was getting the t-shirts from the same factory which is designing for the Levi's, which is basically building, getting the whole work done for the Levi's thing. And they are exporting to Ralph Lauren and everyone else across the globe. I figured out the globe is my market. हाँ?
एक छोटा सा फनी सवाल, वो टी-शर्ट कितने में बनाते हैं Levi's के लिए बेचते हैं?
So this is like आपको वहां पर अगर तिरुपुर आप जाओगे, so you will see कि जो t-shirts Levi's के लिए नहीं गई हैं, but वो discard हो गई हैं because of any minor defect. You will get the same t-shirt for 200 rupees over there, which you get in the showroom for 2000 rupees. So this is what you are going to get. It's a brand which they have built. It's a great fabric, no doubt about it. The other companies which are doing that, they are using little less quality fabric. But the more important part is the branding which they have built. They have associated with the brag worthiness. But Levi's होना क्या है? Levi's होने का मतलब क्या है मेरे पास? I am owning one of the most amazing brand. I feel good because of wearing that brand. That brand has a value. The t-shirt doesn't have a value. You can get the same t-shirt of anything else. But the moment you remove a Levi's ka label from that, like it's not the same t-shirt anymore.
Definitely.
Yeah. So services wala jo hamara tha business. So after that we did it for the retail, और then हमने retail business start किया. We were selling t-shirts online on Amazon, and then we started looking for the store partnerships also in the nearby areas. Eventually wanted to make a good D2C business, but I realized that there's no point of investing my energies here when I can build a digital global product. So hence started Kalaj. And when we were doing later, we realized we are doing so good, and we did a commendable job in terms of impacting lives of writers and publications at the same point of time. And all credits to Raghav, who came up with this idea, that because I met him while giving my marketing services to him. He was the one who thought about this. I joined him on this journey and we built something amazing together. But while doing that,
I just want to ask here, what was the basic work of Kalaj? Karta kya tha wo?
So Kalaj was solving a problem that writers wanted to get published into various newspapers and magazines. and the only way they have is to mail the newspapers and publications. So the problem this is that even after looking at all those content pieces, the publications are not able to move forward, because what they can do, they are not able to give it a score. They're not able to figure out which content is good. They don't have a bandwidth to go through every article because there is no structured way through it. Now what we have done through our platform is the publications can come on our platform, they can promote their issues, they can also raise a topic that we want article on this topic, please send us. And when new writers coming from a different opinion, different mindset, they have a very different view of the world. When they are sharing this content, they are looking at this, they are and they have built an entire model to analyze the article. You can figure out the spelling mistakes, you can figure out the paragraph mistakes, you can
so proper ecosystem was there where writers and publications can meet.
AI-based platform?
Sorry?
So it was an AI-based platform which was correcting their mistakes as well.
So no, it was not correcting the mistakes, it was highlighting the mistakes, that this is because generally publications always, even the content writers into the publication, they create a first draft, it gets edited by the editor-in-chief, and then it gets into the printing. So this is the same model we are following. You just send whatever is the best according to you. We wanted to build something into that journey where we are going to help the writers, but we didn't work over there. So the writer can directly send the article. There is a way to figure out how good is the article, and then you can rectify it. Even you can ask a writer to modify those things, and then you can publish that. So there is a feedback mechanism, feedback loop over there.
Okay, got it.
So I have one more question.
Yeah.
So you have had a long journey in last 8-9 years after completing your engineering and all. So my question is, how your journey helped you to reach where you are now? So because you have done a lot of things, different things, but somehow, as I understand, आपको थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस जो हर जगह से हुआ है, हर तरह के प्रोडक्ट या फील्ड से जो आपने किया है काम, वो आज यूज आ रहा है. तो how it helped you to reach here?
Sure. So obviously this entire journey helped me to where I am today. So I never wanted to be a product manager. I do not even know what product management was. I do not think that last 7 years ago this product management name existed in this country as well. So when I started, I wanted to build something which could leave an impact on the world. That was the whole sole mission, and the mission is still the same. I still want to build something which can leave an impact on the world. So, and the core behind this is building a business around it, right? It's not something that we are doing anything random. We build something amazing that it will eventually make a profit for the company and value for the end users. That was this whole idea. So this entire journey really helped me and taught me while building from my first venture to next, and then next venture, and then here at Ola Electric. The entire journey shaped me, my thinking clearly that what I want to do first. What is the most important thing for me as an individual? What are my strengths and what are my weaknesses? I cannot play on my weaknesses. I have to play on my strengths. So I learned about them. I was able to see clearly where I need to improve upon to go where I want to go. And also it helped me to think that I should be able to enjoy the journey, because eventually you will be there. Okay. So if I have thought about it, will I be here or will I be doing good in life or financially or any way possible? I do not think I was able to feel that confident when I was a student, or I was sure about it. I was not sure. I did not have any idea. But after a couple of years, while just keep doing, keep building, keep figuring out, and taking up the new challenges really helped to be where I'm today. So if you ask me what really worked, it's just that the idea to never give up and to always get excited about the new challenges really helped me to be where I am today. It's not about the title. It's not about your organization. It's about where you want to be. And I think I am on that path. I just got started. I am not there yet.
That's great. It was really nice listening to you over that. तो मैं वापस से एक बेसिक उस पे आऊंगा कि आपने बताया कि यार आपने स्टार्टअप बिल्ड किया, उसके अलावा आपने प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट के बारे में आपने बताया, सब कुछ यू हैव टोल्ड एवरीथिंग. बट अगर मैं एक 20-21 साल का बच्चा हूं, मैं कैसे अप्रोच करूं? बिकॉज मैंने बीकॉम किया होगा, बीबीए किया होगा, बीटेक किया होगा, और उसके बाद कोई भी डायरेक्ट पाथ नहीं दिखता मुझे कि यार ये पाथ है कि इंजीनियरिंग में जाना हो तो यू नो फ्रॉम 10th यू नो कि साइंस मैथ्स लेके आगे बढ़ना है, डॉक्टर बनना हो तो यू नो. बट जो आपने बात कही है, क्योंकि प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट में मुझे लगा कि यू शुड हैव मेनी स्किल्स, एंड आप प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट में एक जूनियर भी हो, इंटर्न भी हो, तो भी आपका बिहेवियर मैनेजर जैसा ही होना चाहिए, बिकॉज यू हैव टू मैनेज इन दैट. That's why it's product management, so you have to manage.
Correct. No, but so all the skills start from a very basic skill, which is called problem solving. Okay. So if you know how to solve a problem, you will be, and you have a common sense, you will be able to figure out everything else slowly. So there are a couple of ways to how to do it. And when I look back, I feel that those are the skills. Because of that, I am product manager today. So what are those skills? And how a 21-year-old guy today, or even I would say a recent 12th graduate who just getting into the college, can start thinking about it or can explore this as a potential career. So do not think product management as a career, but start becoming a product manager first. Okay, how you can become one? So let's talk about that part. So product management, as I said, it's a leadership role. It's a problem solving role as well. Now imagine Ankush wants to go on a 10-day trip, okay? And he wants his friends to come along. So what he thought, he proposed an idea in the college. Yeah, let's go for a 10-day trip. Okay, we will all have so much fun. We will also create a workshop around certain things. We will have fun. We will do painting workshop, or we will do different kind of things. Now, but when he floated the idea, he didn't get any interest. लोगों ने बोला क्या है ये, हमें नहीं जाना भाई, मतलब ये क्या मजाक है. So to planting that thinking first कि how will I approach this, यार ये अगर मुझे करना है, ये मुझे एक ट्रिप करवानी है जिसमें मैं चाहता हूँ 50 लोग मेरे कॉलेज से आए. This is like a project. Okay, this is like a thing which you can do. Now how you approach this? अच्छा, मुझे एक अमेजिंग सा पोस्टर बनाना पड़ेगा, मुझे प्लान बनाना पड़ेगा पहले तो कि यार क्या होगा इस ट्रिप के अंदर जो एक्साइटिंग होगा, जो पहले नहीं देखा इन लोगों ने. मैंने वो प्लान कर लिया. उसके बाद मेरे को अच्छे से इसका पोस्टर बनाना है. पोस्टर बना लिया. फिर मैंने लोगों से बात करी कि यार कि तुम्हें कैसा लग रहा है, तुम्हें अच्छा नहीं लग रहा क्या, वगैरह वगैरह. सो दिस स्टार्ट्स वे अर्ली. तुम लोगों से बात करके, समझ के, पूछ के कि तुम्हें ट्रिप में क्या अच्छा लगता है, क्या यूनिक है जो तुमने आज तक नहीं किया है, उसको तुमने समझा और उसके बेसिस पे ये सब प्लान किया. नाउ व्हेन यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट, आपने इंटरेस्ट ले लिया लोगों से. तो इंटरेस्ट लिया कैसे? अब इंटरेस्ट लेने के लिए आप फिगर आउट करोगे यार अच्छा एक गूगल फॉर्म होना चाहिए, उसमें मैं इंटरेस्ट कैप्चर करूंगा. इंटरेस्ट कैप्चर किया. इंटरेस्ट कैप्चर करने के बाद आपने उनको बोला अच्छा पैसे भरो, पैसे भरे आपने. उसके बाद आपने टिकट्स बुक करी, आपने सस्ती टिकट निकाली. उसके बाद आपने होटल बुक किया. उसके बाद आपने आइटनरी प्लान करी पूरी. उसके बाद आपने वर्कशॉप प्लान करी. उसके लिए आप एजुकेटर लेके आए. उसके बाद आपने एंगेजमेंट एक्टिविटीज प्लान करी कि लोग क्या फन करेंगे, कैसे चीजें होंगी. एक बंदा म्यूजिक करेगा मैनेज, एक बंदा टेंट मैनेज करेगा मे बी, और डिफरेंट चीजें. ठीक है, तो ये बस जाएगी, ये बस से वापस आएंगे. सो मेनी मोर थिंग्स अराउंड इट. इफ यू विल बी एबल टू मैनेज दिस ओवरऑल प्रोजेक्ट like seamlessly, or even with hiccups, I would say for the starting, that means you have the potential to influence people, to communicate with them, to solve a problem which was which came across came your way, and you did it beautifully, right? You executed, and eventually what is the result of this? 50 happy people who had an amazing experience of life because of you. So those were your customers. Eventually you built something for them and they enjoyed that. That's an amazing way now.
Yeah.
So you can do that. That's a one way. Take up additional responsibilities. Now the other example is take up additional responsibilities, like you can become a entrepreneurship cell member, or you can become
college
you can
fest.
start your own club in college. You can start your own club in college. You can start a side project in college. यार मैं पेंटिंग वर्कशॉप होगी हर दिन 5 बजे वेडनेसडे को अगले 8 हफ्तों के लिए. We got an educator over here. Whoever wants to learn, you start a side project. You start a grocery selling WhatsApp idea. Suppose everybody can list their groceries, but they can create a B2B account of WhatsApp. You got somebody listed and now you're like, हॉस्टल के रूम तक हम लोग मैगी पहुंचाएंगे या फिर बिस्किट्स पहुंचाएंगे with just 5 rupees delivery charge. Imagine, you can do that, right? This is all. These are ideas which you think and you execute, and that's how you become a product manager. That's how you are able to see this journey. You can become a head of entrepreneurship club, or you can join that for initial days, and you can join a alumni affairs secretary club, or anything for matter. Like in colleges there are so many clubs, there are so many things you can do to become comfortable in talking to people, in understanding what they are looking for, what are their thoughts, so that you will be able to build for them, solving for them. If you will be doing an event, you will eventually solving for your people around you. Or if you are building a entrepreneurship club, there are other people who are doing a startups in the college itself. You're able to help them, how that is happening, interact with them, getting to know what they're thinking, what they're building. And that network really helps to expand your thinking कि यार ये तो possible है, ये तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ, या फिर मैंने ऐसा क्यों नहीं सोचा पहले, ये तो बहुत ही amazing है. This could be the thing. The most amazing part is what you can do in college as a first year student is start a company. What you have to lose? You have nothing to lose. Like you have 4 years and you start a company. And so suppose if you are thinking about it, like you have really good idea कि यार ये possible है, तो बहुत ही बढ़िया है. चला तो भी अच्छा है, नहीं चला तो भी अच्छा, एक्सपीरियंस तो अमेजिंग है उसका. लेकिन अगर बात करें कि आपने एक बहुत बेसिक सी चीज, यार मैं टी शर्ट ही बेचूंगा, ठीक है, मैं टी शर्ट बनाऊंगा, प्रिंट करूंगा और बेचूंगा, या फिर कॉलेज के जितना सप्लाई होता है टी शर्ट का मैं वो करूंगा. दैट बेसिक स्टफ विल गिव यू मनी, एक्सपीरियंस, नॉलेज फॉर एवरीथिंग from the day one, which is like going out of your comfort zone, which very few people will do. But whoever is listening to this and is very excited to be, यार ये बात तो बहुत सही है कि अगर मैं कुछ बना पाऊं जो कस्टमर यूज करे और वो अमेजिंगली फील करे उसके बाद, यार क्या चीज बढ़िया बनाई है. दैट इज व्हाट एवरीवन वांट्स टू डू, राइट? इंस्टाग्राम, व्हाट्सएप, they just was a very basic products. Nobody was using them when they were launched. Like they had a couple of users and now billions of users are on that platform, finding joy in using that. So imagine the product manager sitting over there or building the features for these users. How amazing they must be feeling. यार जो मैं बना रहा हूँ वो किस तरह से यूज हो रहा है. And they are looking at it too, and they are also hearing the voice of their customer to basically figure out, yaar, this is changing the world. This is how the information is spreading now. Along with this, the other way, the last way is internship. You find an internship as a product manager, as a software engineer, as a marketer, and you get into a company and you realize, you talk to experienced people over there, you watch them, how they're working, you shadow them for a while. Like you will be
got it. Okay, that was really great for students, right? So Pankaj, do you have any questions? Because my mind is blown up right now with so much information. Even I was listening to that and thinking, यार मुझे भी करना चाहिए था इतना सारी चीजें.
No, it was interesting to hear him. Yeah, he's explaining with so much ease. तो उसके लिए मतलब Himanshu here, his words are so easy to understand and know that what exactly someone should do to get into his life. Because I understand it is coming from his experience. क्योंकि उसने बताया कि यार मेरे को हर चीज में अपना सर डालने की आदत थी कि मेरे को बहुत सारे इवेंट्स थे, मेरे को बहुत सारे लोगों से मिलना अच्छा लगता था. So that is all he is telling कि यार जितना अपने आप को एक्सपोज करोगे, इट इज जस्ट के उस कमरे में बैठे रहने से बेटर है बाहर जाकर के अपने आप को अपना सर लोगों से मारना शुरू कर दो. कोई ना कोई तो आपको किसी तरह का एक्सपीरियंस देगा ही देगा.
100%. Yeah, 100%. This is मतलब a college student should never sit in a room comfortably. They should be out on the campus somewhere, talking to someone, doing something, getting involved into some event, organizing committee, drama, and any activity. They should pick up any kind of activity. I forgot to mention, but performance arts, which CRED really focuses on, that if you are the one who knows how to engage the audience, you can actually be a great product manager. So let's suppose two of you, Pankaj and Ankush, you know how to like you're designing those questions to ask me, or you are thinking about that how will you get a more views on your YouTube video, or you are thinking यार मैं अगर क्लास में पढ़ा रहा हूँ तो कौन से स्टूडेंट से सुनने में इंटरेस्टेड है नहीं है, और मैं ऐसा क्या बोलूँ कि वो इंटरेस्टेड हो. That's this skill goes into designing a product, in building a product, and when that product is basically out there, somebody using it, that they are getting the aha moment कि यार ये क्या amazing चीज है यार, मैंने ये मतलब मजा आ गया करके, वैसा होता है ना. वो exactly.
It's like that I read a book of Niriyal, habit form, how to create habit forming products.
Yeah, I also read.
It comes from that only. कि जो भी आप काम कर रहे हो उसके बारे में पहले ये सोचो कि एक्चुअल के अंदर इसको कितनी बार अगला बंदा यूज करेगा. लाइक इफ यू आर सेलिंग अ प्रोडक्ट, तो वो या तो घर जाकर के 2 दिन यूज करेगा या उसको बार बार यूज करने की इच्छा करेगी, एंड देन इट विल बिकम अ हैबिट. जो कि आज इंस्टाग्राम, व्हाट्सएप के साथ में हुआ है, एंग्री बर्ड्स के साथ में हुआ. उसके अलावा जो एक बहुत फेमस गेम था कैंडी क्रश, तो कैंडी क्रश तो आज भी बहुत लोग खेलते हैं लूडो के साथ. दिस टाइप गेम समवन हैज क्रिएटेड विद दैट एक्सपीरियंस ओनली एंड दैट काइंड ऑफ नॉलेज ओनली. सो I get your point.
100%.
Yeah, so I guess I don't have any more questions to ask. Pankaj, do you have any?
No, I am also out of questions because as I told you, his explanations are so explaining itself.
It was like most of the time you don't have to ask. Himanshu was answering throughout the thing कि हाँ हमने ये पूछा, उसके अलावा इसका जवाब भी मिल गया हमको.
ये ज़्यादा बोलने वाली स्किल भी होनी चाहिए.
No, there were 2 things you said. Just for the sake of who is watching and who doesn't understand technical language, you used the word SaaS for your company, SaaS-based platform. So just tell us briefly what is SaaS-based platform, and second was digitally scalable product. So what are these 2 things? So if someone doesn't understand our language, then they can understand what exactly these things are.
Sure. So SaaS means software as a service. So there are 2 types of software. पहले Adobe आपको Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop. I'm sure everyone knows Photoshop. Photoshop आपको डायरेक्ट बेचता था कि इतने का है, ये सॉफ्टवेयर मुझसे खरीद लो. Now it's yours. ये आपका हो गया, ठीक है. You just paid once. But software as a service, it's a service which you have bought on a recurring basis. See, आपने ऑनलाइन, आप गए ऑनलाइन, आपने बोला यार आज यूज करना है, आज यूज कर रहा, उसका पैसा दिया, काम खत्म. यू कैन टेक अ मंथली सब्सक्रिप्शन. सो आपने मंथली पे करते गए. Adobe Illustrator ने अपना मॉडल चेंज कर दिया, आप मंथली ले सकते हो उसको. सपोज आपने 700-800 रुपए देके उसको मंथली यूज करना स्टार्ट कर दिया, आपको 2 महीने बाद लगा मुझे नहीं यूज करना है, आपने स्टॉप कर दिया. सो सॉफ्टवेयर एज अ सर्विस, it's a service. It's not something which is your product. You have just bought it. You didn't bought it. You are just using a service right now for a limited amount of time. You're paying for that time. So we are paying for that service basically. So software as a service. Now talking about scalable, because digital technology is the only thing which has no barrier. Your product can be used in Timbuktu, literally, right? Somebody sitting over there have an internet connection can use your product. Obviously, there are certain regulations, government regulations around it. But most likely, software do not have the boundaries. They generally get used across the globe until someone ban it or like there is a regulation around it that you cannot use it here. Like जो TikTok के साथ हुआ है India के अंदर, but still, generally you can do that. And imagine you're solving a core problem, which is not operation intensive. It's a pure digital problem. Imagine today crypto. What crypto does is there is no government barrier to it. You can open an account and that account is accessible across the globe. You can transfer money, you can receive money without any regulations around that in a very secure format. That's like the global product.
It's like decentralization of currency, basically.
Yes, correct. Yes, I'll definitely not go into that, like because I have a very little understanding on that. But yes, that's what basic is.
Okay. So I guess we should finish it here. Thanks a lot, Himanshu. Thank you so much. It was really great talking to you.
100%. Perfect. Thank you so much, guys, for having me.
Yeah, sure.
Very lovely.